Hello, it's Blake Tucker from Booze Freaks again, aka Dr. Inkwell. I don't want you to drink more, I want you to drink well. Today we're doing another variation of an old-fashioned. In this case, an aged rum. I love this Panama Pacific 23 year, along with orange and chocolate bitters. The orange and chocolate and the caramelization and sort of barrel flavor you get out of an aged rum are really, really wonderful together. The garnish again is an orange. This will work with your regular bitters, your Angostura and orange bitters. I'm using this Angostura orange because there's a lot more citrus flavor in this one than the Regan's orange. The Regan's orange is a little bit more of a spiced orange, and this is much more of a fruit orange. The fruit works great with the rum for this. So, as before, we have a glass, an old-fashioned glass, a little bit of ice, 1/4 ounce of simple syrup, 2 dashes of chocolate bitters. This is Scrappy's chocolate. I really like this in terms of chocolate bitters. A lot of other chocolate bitters have Aztec spices or some other heat in them. This is just straight chocolate, so great for a drink like this. 2 dashes of Angostura orange. And finally, 2 ounces of aged rum. You can do this with an unaged rum or a spiced rum, but the aged rum, the barrel flavors in an aged rum really work well in an old-fashioned. Stir. Again, I like a fun little spoon. You want to get the drink nice and diluted and very cold. Once it's stirred, again, we are garnishing with a orange. Spraying a little bit of that orange oil to further add that oranginess to the rum drink. That's delightful. Chocolatey, orangey, playing with each other. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram, and I also work as beverage director for Taste Catering. And during the COVID-19 crisis, we've created Hospitality Helps in partnership with Peninsula Food Runners and Meals on Wheels San Francisco. We're making and delivering food for people in need, hospitality and service workers who are out of work. And we even made a delivery to Zuckerberg General Hospital to help the staff there. So please check out Hospitality Helps and donate if you can. Thanks for watching. See you next time.